Hello, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you or demonstrating to you how to count ifs greater than or less than on the Microsoft Excel. Actually, it's really easy to do. For example, I want to make it count ifs greater than 3 and less than 7. How to do that? Just equal and then put count ifs with s. Okay, count ifs, and then open the bracket and then put the data a column, and then comma, you put the double quotes and then greater than, equal to, it's up to you using equal or not, and then close the quotes, and operator, and then put the E2 cells, and then put another criteria. You just put the comma, put the data, and then comma again, and then open the quotes, and then you put less than, equal to, open close the quotes, and 7. Hit the enter. Now this is the result of count ifs greater than 3 and less than 7. What if sum ifs? You just put equal to sum ifs, and then put the sum range, of course the AA range, and then hit comma, and then put the AA range again, and then put the comma, and then similar with the previous, the COUNTIFS function. So just open the quotes, and then greater than, equal to, 3, and then comma, AA, comma, open the quotes, double quotes, less than, equal to, and 7. Hit enter. Now this is the result. Actually, it's really easy to do. You just follow these steps. That's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.